Skylar here, Boucher Cadillac. Here today is our 2011 Infiniti G25X. All-wheel drive model, 2.5 V6 engine. Very well maintained inside and out as it shows. Also is a 2-owner clean CarFax report with extensive maintenance records. We've also fully inspected the vehicle since it came in to ensure it's top quality. Silver paint is also great shape. Sunroof up top. Alloy wheels, no curbing. A great set of hand-cooked tires all the way around. Plenty of life left on them. Leather interior is very well kept inside. Also keyless entry. Your door handle's right here. That will lock and unlock your door. You don't need to fumble with the key at all. Better shot of the leather inside. Touchscreen up top. Heated front seats. Also have your snow mode right here, which will make the all-wheel drive system a lot more aggressive in our Wisconsin winters. Push button start. Bluetooth audio. Also all of your controls on the steering wheel right here. And 155,000 miles. This Infiniti won't last long. Come see Skylar, Boucher Cadillac, 262-754-9600.